Frozen shoulder treatment and rehabilitation. Frozen shoulder can make even simple tasks difficult. At Turning Point Physiotherapy, our targeted rehabilitation exercises can help you regain range of motion and flexibility. Pendulum exercises are great for gently mobilizing the shoulder. Bend at the waist, relax your shoulder, and use small circular motions to encourage shoulder movement without pain or strain. Hand walk-ups are another key exercise for frozen shoulder. Slowly use your fingers to climb a wall, raising your arm overhead and holding the position for a few seconds to increase shoulder range of motion. Passive stretching, where a therapist helps move your arm through its range of motion, also helps loosen tight muscles and joints, accelerating recovery.